Hi kids! Today story is The Monkey and Crocodile. Have you ever seen the monkey and crocodile bonding together? Have you ever seen the monkey friend together? Yes? No? No idea? Let me tell you a story where the monkey and the crocodile, they are friends and talk each other and share each other. Once upon a time, the middle of the dense forest, there was a mighty river. In that river, there lived an old crocodile. He was not able to hunt anymore because he was weak and feeble. One day, he was very hungry. So he thought to himself, It's very difficult to go on land and hunt. I should try to catching some fishes in the river. I'm so hungry. When he tried to catch the fish slipped out the hand. Drained and dejected, he decided to rest under a tree in the riverside. A monkey was sitting on the branch of the tree eating berries. The crocodile saw the monkey and asked, "Oh my dear monkey, what are you eating? Could you give me some of, please? I'm very hungry." "This is berries." "They are very sweet. Here you go, eat this." Oh yes. "They are really very sweet. Thank you, my savior. I was very hungry and you helped me. You are very kind. I would be grateful if I had a friend like you." Yes, why not? We are friends now. I live in tree. Whenever you feel hungry, you can always come here and I give you the best berries I can find. Thereafter, every day the crocodile would come by the tree and the monkey would give him berries. They used to have a lot of fun together. In this manner, they had become very good friends, and sometimes the crocodile would come and play near the tree, and sometimes the monkey would sit on the crocodile back and go around the river. "Listen, my friend, I would like my wife to have some of these berries. Can you give me some, please?" "I will take them home. Sure, I will pluck them right away. Let's go." The monkey happily plucked some berries and gave to him. And the crocodile took them to his wife, who
stayed on the other side of the river.
Darling, look what I got for you. Some sweet berries. My friend Monkey has sent this for you. These are very sweet.
My dear husband, till when we will survive on berries? Just think, if these berries taste so sweet, that monkey eat this every day, how sweet will he be?
Yes, he is very nice. He eat and he give it to me also.
Actually, I was thinking how sweet will he have be. And I haven't get taste meat since a long time. Can you get me his head? Opening hearing this, the crocodile started thinking deeply and said to his wife,
How I can do this? The monkey is my friend. I cannot betray his trust. If I give you her will die. He fed me when I was hungry, and now you want me to kill him?
I don't want to listen anything. I just want that monkey head. Go and get it for me. Otherwise, I will kill myself. Listen to his wife. The poor crocodile felt helpless sadly, and he went to the monkey, convenient him and bring him home to his wife.
Dear monkey, that she has called you home for lunch. Come, let's go to my house. Have you lunch with us?
Oh, how nice of her. Let's go. The monkey agreed to go with the crocodile, and they both set out. They will go merrily a little into journey to monkey as friend. What is your wife going cooking for us?
You love banana, right? She will prepare fresh baked banana bread and some delicious cookies special for you. How delightful! Like there is going be feast today. I'm already really looking at his friend happiness to crocodile thought.
He should tell the monkey everything about his wife's intention per monkey. He is dreaming of delicious fish, but little does he know my wife wants to eat her for lunch.
What should I do? I tell him the truth. Oh my dear monkey, my wife wants to eat your heart. Please forgive me. My wife, if she doesn't eat your heart, she will die.
As soon as he heard the crocodile, he instantly thought of an idea. The monkey was very smart. Oh, I see. Yes, sure. Why not, my friend? Why did you tell me early? We monkey keep our head safely on the tree. Now we will have to go back to the tree to get my hat.
Oh, How stupid of me. Now we will have to go all the way back. Okay, let's go back and get your heart. If you go empty-handed, she will eat my heart instead.
The crocodile got the monkey back on the tree. He quickly jumped off the monkey back the crocodile and climbed the tree. And she said to crocodile, "You are stupid crocodile. Can anyone keep their heart and stay alive? I help you as friend. And this, what you did in return? You are traitor. Now you will neither get my heart nor berries. Go away." The monkey used intelligence and cleverness to save his and crocodile because of the stupidly last bought a great friend and sweet berries. So, kids, how did you like the story? And can tell me the moral of the story? Moral of the story: in time of danger and adversity, we no get scared, but instead we must act just like the monkey. In any situation, not betray anyone trust, otherwise we end up losing everything like the crocodile. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye.